Y'all, I need y'all help, man. I need y'all help for real. 2004 GMC Yukon Denali. I don't know what's wrong with it. Got a fuel pump replaced on it, but before the fuel pump, it cut out on me. So I thought it was the battery. It's not the battery. The mechanic said it's not the battery because I replaced it. What's this, the camshaft sensor? Wait a minute. Pick this thing up. He gave this one back to me. I had two sensors of camshaft and crankshaft, and one he put in, and it's the one he gave back. But I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's an electrical issue. So this is what it's doing. Now yesterday, it did drive, but it a hole, and then the wheel was shake like that, and then it cut off completely. It just cut out. So I hit a chime, so I don't think it's the battery. They told me it's not the alternator. I paid $350 to get the fuel pump replaced. So this is what it's doing now. Now it's just clicking. Now it won't turn over at all. Hear that clicking? Probably a sensor in here in the seat. So I don't know what it is, man. It's frustrating. It's been doing this for the past week or so. Probably last week. So I don't know if it's like a wire that's not connected. Hold on, let me see. Let me point at this real quick for y'all. Like this wire right here, I thought this was duct tape. My mechanic told me it's not duct tape. It's supposed to be there. It didn't look right to me. It looked like duct tape, but I'm not a mechanic, so I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go with it. But he ain't got the car in front of him either. But that wire goes all the way down here to this connector right there. And I'm just like, is this duct tape supposed to be there? But trying to figure out what it could be. I'm assuming something is not connected to the engine because it won't even hold a spark. Alternator, belt, I don't know. I was looking at other YouTube videos and they say it could be this line here, but I don't know what that connect to. I would have to take this cover off and see, but it's frustrating. Can't nobody give me what I need to get. Give me the right details. Should I fix it and just say forget it, go ahead and sell it? I just bought it a month ago. Let me know, y'all, man. I need help. I need help, please.